Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to talk about corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility has become increasingly prominent in the business world, and ISO 26000 stands as a guiding framework for organizations seeking to integrate social responsibility into their operations. Let's delve into some key trends in CSR as outlined in ISO 26000. Stakeholder engagement. One of the fundamental principles of ISO 26000 is stakeholder engagement. Today, there's a growing emphasis on actively involving stakeholders in CSR initiatives. This goes beyond mere consultation to meaningful engagement, where stakeholders, including employees, customers, communities, and NGOs, are involved in decision-making processes. Environmental sustainability. Environmental sustainability has become a central focus of CSR efforts. ISO 26000 encourages organizations to assess their environmental impact and implement measures to minimize negative effects. Trends in this area include reducing carbon footprint, increasing energy efficiency, promoting renewable energy sources, and minimizing waste generation. Ethical business practices. Ethical business conduct is crucial for CSR. Organizations are expected to uphold integrity, transparency, and accountability in all their operations. This includes adhering to fair labor practices, respecting human rights, combating corruption, and promoting diversity and inclusion within the workforce. Supply chain responsibility. Businesses are increasingly recognizing the importance of responsible supply chain management. ISO 26000 encourages organizations to consider the social, environmental, and ethical impacts of their supply chain activities. This involves assessing suppliers, ensuring fair labor practices throughout the supply chain, and promoting sustainability standards among suppliers. Community engagement and philanthropy. CSR efforts extend beyond the workplace to the communities in which organizations operate. Companies are expected to contribute positively in society through community engagement, philanthropy, and social investment initiatives. This could include supporting local charities, volunteering programs, or investing in community development projects. Transparency and reporting. Transparency is a key aspect of CSR, and stakeholders increasingly expect organizations to disclose their CSR activities and impacts. Reporting frameworks such as the Global Reporting Initiative (GRI) and the Sustainability Accounting Standards Board (CASB) provide guidelines for transparent reporting on social, environmental, and governance performance. Technology and innovation. Technology plays a significant role in advancing CSR efforts. Organizations are leveraging technology and innovation to develop sustainable products and services, improve resources efficiency, and enhance stakeholder engagement. From renewable energy solutions to blockchain-enabled supply chain transparency, technology is driving CSR innovation. Human rights and social justice. Respect for human rights is a core component of CSR. ISO 26000 emphasizes the importance of identifying and addressing human rights issues within organizational operations and supply chains. This includes issues such as labor rights, child labor, forced labor, and indigenous rights. Integration into business strategy. CSR is increasingly being integrated into overall business strategy rather than treated as a separate initiative. Companies are recognizing that responsible business practices are not only beneficial for society but also essential for long-term business success and resilience. In conclusion, ISO 26000 provides a comprehensive framework for organizations to understand and implement CSR principles. The trends in CSR outlined in ISO 26000 reflect a growing recognition of the importance of social, environmental, and ethical responsibility in business operations, as well as the evolving expectations of stakeholders in today's society. That's all for today, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.